How's it going, everyone? So the time has come. I am done with crypto. Just kidding. I just wanted to get on here and talk to you about my exit strategy for this cycle. This has been something that I've been planning for a long time, and I've been planning to DCA out of all of my crypto and Bitcoin related stocks. And so my plan is to sell 1% of my portfolio every day over the next 3 months. Now, Bitcoin may have already peaked out earlier in October. The timing isn't too far off for that to be the case, but I'm still thinking that it's more likely to top during November or December. So that's kind of what I'm planning for. And if the plan starts to change, as if Bitcoin starts to aggressively increase in price, then I'm going to more aggressively start selling. And also the opposite is true. If Bitcoin starts falling a lot and it's becoming more obvious that the beginning of October was the top, then I'm also going to start selling more aggressively in order to get the best possible gains. So I just wanted to get on here and explain that a little bit. What I'm going to be doing is there is a stock, an ETF that inversely tracks the price of Bitcoin, and it's called BITI. So as I start selling all my positions, I'm going to be switching everything from crypto and Bitcoin related stocks and the Bitcoin mining companies, things like that. I'm going to be putting all of the money that I made from that into BITI over the next year as Bitcoin is going through the bear market. So as the price of Bitcoin goes down, BITI is going to keep going up. And that would be my best strategy for during the bear market. BITI is sitting around just under $20 right now. When Bitcoin was at the bottom last time, BITI was over $200. So it would be nice if it can make it over $200 again. I don't know if Bitcoin has enough downside for that to happen. I'm expecting Bitcoin to probably go back down towards $50,000 or so, but we'll have to see how things go. And it's very possible too that I could be wrong and Bitcoin could keep going up, but I'm going to plan for what I'm familiar with, and the 4-year cycles are what have been most common in the past. So that's what I'm going to plan on for the future and kind of evaluate things as they go forward. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be selling all my positions gradually and moving them over into BITI. And then when a few months from now, when we find what the actual top from Bitcoin is, then I'll be able to plan for what to do in the future. As of right now, I'm planning on holding my BITI position, hopefully for at least a year, so I can take advantage of the long-term capital gains taxes. And then I'll be selling and putting things back into crypto and into Bitcoin mining company stocks. And there's a couple ETFs that track Bitcoin or are leveraged ETFs for Bitcoin. So I'll be moving back into those when the time comes. I'll keep you updated with how things are going. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And I will see you later.